What if I told you your body has a secret repair system that can regenerate damaged organs, fight chronic diseases, and even reverse aging? And what if you could activate it just by eating?
That people can't regenerate, right? Wrong. Turns out that humans can regenerate 750 million extra stem cells when we're born. Those get all packed up in our bone marrow mostly. And so then when we need them over the course of our lives, our body calls out more stem cells to regenerate our heart, our brain, our muscles.
Dr. William Li is a renowned physician, scientist, and New York Times best-selling author, best known for his groundbreaking research on how food impacts health and fights diseases. As the president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. Li has transformed the way we understand diet and its role in healing the body.
Second health defense system is regeneration. Now, if you were like me, when you were in grade school, your teacher told you starfish can regenerate, salamanders can regenerate, but people can't regenerate, right? Wrong. Turns out that humans can regenerate, so we're throwing that whole chapter out. A new book is being written. Humans regenerate using stem cells that come from the womb. So when we were developing in the womb, we were only stem cells. When we were born, we had extra stem cells that didn't get used. It's kind of like having extra cans of paint. When you finish painting in your room, you always get extra paint so you don't run out. But when you're done with painting the room, what do? Oh man, I got a few extra cans. You put the lid back on, put them in the garage for next time if you need to patch something up. Well, that's exactly what our stem cells do. We got extra stem cells. How many? 750 million extra stem cells when we're born. Those get all packed up in our bone marrow mostly. And so then when we need them over the course of our lives, our body calls out more stem cells to regenerate our heart, our brain, our muscles. You're going to work out in the gym, got to grow some new muscle. Those stem cells come flying out in order to be able to regenerate our organs.
First, what are stem cells? They're your body's master cells, blank slates, that can transform into heart cells, brain cells, or bone cells. As we age, stress and toxins damage them. But Dr. Li found food that can reboot them. His research shows these foods activate stem cell regeneration, helping your body rebuild from within.
Now, foods can activate this regeneration system. They can call out more stem cells, and that's why they're part of this defense system. If your organ needs to be repaired, if you're sick, even for COVID, like long COVID needs stem cells to repair some of the damage. That's another thing that I'm working on right now. But there are dozens of food that can help you regenerate, including dried fruit, because it's got something called ursolic acid.
Number 1, dry fruits. While dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and dates may not directly regenerate stem cells, they can significantly contribute to your body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. Packed with essential nutrients, these power foods are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and aging, both of which can negatively impact stem cell function. Take walnuts, for example. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, they help reduce inflammation and create a supportive environment for stem cells, especially in the brain and bones. Pistachios contain amino acids that aid in tissue repair and enhance natural healing mechanisms. Meanwhile, minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium abundant in various dry fruits play a crucial role in DNA repair and cellular regeneration. Although dry fruits aren't a magic cure, growing research suggests they can help maintain stem cell vitality, keeping them healthier and more active over time. Making these nutritious snacks a regular part of your diet may be a simple yet effective way to promote long-term wellness and slow down the aging process from within. Number 2, dark chocolate.
And another food that can actually help out is dark chocolate. Turns out cacao, which is, by the way, a plant-based food, dark chocolate, actually can call out the stem cells in your bloodstream. This has been studied in humans. It's got to be like 80% or higher cacao. So you really want to go for that dark chocolate. And remember I told you, you don't want added sugar. So you don't want to just be eating candy bar. Go for the dark chocolate with as little or no added sugar, refined sugar, as possible.
Dark chocolate, especially varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is more than just a delicious indulgence. It's packed with powerful antioxidants, primarily flavonoids like epicatechin, which support the body's ability to heal and renew itself. These compounds help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from oxidative damage, all of which create a healthier environment for stem cells, the body's natural repair agents, to thrive. One of the biggest challenges stem cells face is oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging and cellular decline. The antioxidants in dark chocolate combat this stress, helping stem cells remain active and resilient. Additionally, this rich treat is a great source of essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, all crucial for DNA repair and cellular growth. An interesting effect of cocoa is its ability to boost nitric oxide production, which enhances blood flow. Improved circulation ensures that vital nutrients reach key areas of the body, such as the brain and muscles, where stem cells play an essential role in recovery and regeneration. While dark chocolate isn't a miracle solution, incorporating moderate amounts into your diet may be a simple and enjoyable way to support your body's natural healing processes and promote long-term cellular health. Number 3. Whole grains.
Now, there are other foods that can actually stimulate your stem cells as well. Whole wheat, brown rice, barley, oats, even popcorn. These all have fiber, and the dietary fiber triggers our stem cells.
Whole grains like whole wheat, brown rice, barley, oats, and even popcorn are far more than just wholesome carbs. They actively support your body's regenerative abilities, including stem cell function. While they don't directly regenerate stem cells, these nutrient-dense foods provide the essential building blocks to keep them healthy and efficient. One of the most valuable aspects of whole grains is their rich fiber content, which nurtures a balanced gut microbiome. Since gut health plays a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and strengthening the immune system, maintaining it is crucial for optimal stem cell performance. Lower inflammation and oxidative stress mean your body has an easier time repairing itself and slowing the aging process. Barley and oats stand out for their beta-glucans, unique fibers that fortify the immune system and help regulate blood sugar levels. Brown rice and whole wheat provide steady energy, along with critical minerals like magnesium and iron, which contribute to cellular repair and long-term vitality. Even popcorn, when air-popped and enjoyed with minimal seasoning, is packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that protect cells and encourage healthy aging. By incorporating a variety of these whole grains into your daily diet, you're creating an internal environment that allows stem cells to thrive. Over time, this simple yet powerful habit can enhance your body's ability to heal, maintain wellness, and support long-term cellular health. Number 5. Chinese celery.
And I have something special. I found this yesterday when I was out shopping in the Asian market that you may not have seen before. I found some Chinese parsley. Okay, this is not your regular parsley that you make. Parsley. Sorry, celery. Chinese celery. This is Chinese celery. Look how long it is. This is monstrous. Okay, I'm backing up. This is Chinese celery. It looks kind of like celery. It's a little wilty. It's much softer. It's not like these hard sticks. You can't beat somebody with it. And it's much more potent than if you break it up and smell it. Wow, it's got this like peppery, more intense, celery smell. Okay, here's what you need to know. That there are studies have been done to figure out what's in Chinese celery. It's not in regular American celery or European celery. It's a chemical called NBP. It's 2-nitro-bisphosphonate, NBP, 2-NBP. All right, this actually has been shown to stimulate stem cells to come out of your bloodstream. In fact, so powerfully that in China, because remember, this is Chinese celery, in China, they've actually extracted the stuff from celery and Chinese celery seeds, and they've approved it as a drug to treat stroke. So they've done human studies where people have strokes, And they're able to give this to NBP, which comes from the celery, and it actually helps more blood vessels to grow and repair and regenerate the damaged stem cells in human brains. Quite amazing, okay? Coming out of this natural food. This is, again, food is medicine. Sometimes the stuff in the food becomes the medicine. All right, so that's regeneration.
Chinese celery, scientifically known as Apium graveolens var. Secalinum, is a fragrant and flavorful herb widely used in Asian cuisine. While prized for its culinary versatility, it also offers notable health benefits, particularly for supporting cellular function and potentially aiding the body's natural stem cell repair processes. One of its standout compounds is N-butyl phthalate, NBP, a powerful neuroprotective agent studied extensively for its role in brain health. In China, NBP has even been approved for clinical use in stroke treatment, thanks to its ability to enhance blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and safeguard neurons from damage. By fostering a healthier neural environment, NBP creates conditions that allow neural stem cells to survive, multiply, and contribute to brain tissue repair. Beyond brain health, NBP plays a vital role in reducing oxidative stress and protecting mitochondria, the energy centers of cells. By minimizing cellular stress and optimizing energy metabolism, this compound indirectly supports stem cell activity and helps preserve a youthful, regenerative balance within the body. Chinese celery is also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenols, which work to combat inflammation and shield DNA from damage, both essential factors in maintaining stem cell vitality. Additionally, its natural diuretic and detoxifying properties help flush toxins from the body, creating an optimal environment for regenerative processes. While Chinese celery and NBP aren't direct stem cell therapies, incorporating them into a balanced diet can contribute to the body's natural healing mechanisms, especially when paired with other nutrient-rich foods. Whether added to soups, stir-fries, or fresh juices, this humble yet powerful herb offers a simple, flavorful way to nourish your body's ability to heal and renew itself. Number 5. Leafy greens.
Swiss chard, mustard greens, collard greens, goji berries. You know those little tiny herbal berries? You can get them in dried almost anywhere. They contain something called zeaxanthin, that is a bioactive, one of Mother's natural chemicals, supercharges stem cells so they can help us regenerate even better.
Leafy greens, like Swiss chard, mustard greens, and collard greens, do far more than just provide essential vitamins. They actively support cellular health and regeneration. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron, these superfoods help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two major factors that can weaken stem cell function. By reducing cellular damage, they allow stem cells to work more efficiently in repairing and renewing tissues. Swiss chard and mustard greens offer an added benefit through their high chlorophyll and phytonutrient content, helping detoxify the body and shield cells from environmental toxins. Meanwhile, collard greens contain glucosinolates, compounds that aid DNA protection and promote healthy cell division. Goji berries, often celebrated as a longevity-enhancing fruit in traditional Chinese medicine, provide a powerful dose of antioxidants like zeaxanthin and vitamin C. These nutrients help defend cells against oxidative damage while supporting immune function. Additionally, polysaccharides found in goji berries have been studied for their potential to stimulate stem cell activity, encouraging tissue regeneration. Some research in animal models has even suggested that goji berries may enhance neural stem cell growth, contributing to improved brain health. Together, these nutrient-rich foods create a strong foundation for cellular wellness. Regularly incorporating them into your diet can support the body's natural regenerative processes, slow aging, and promote long-term vitality. While they aren't a replacement for medical treatments, they serve as a valuable, natural way to nurture the body's ability to heal and renew itself. So, there you have it. 5 amazing superfoods that can help regrow stem cells and repair your body. Make sure to try adding these to your diet for a boost in stem cell activity and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite superfood for healing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay energized, and keep nourishing your body the way it deserves.